Hi guys, my name is Anuk and today I am going to walk you through my series on matter. I am going to be explaining you what is an atom. An atom is ridiculously small. When I mean by ridiculously small, that means I can't even show with my finger. That much small. A few facts about atoms. Atoms are the tiny particles that make up every substance. Every atom is made up of a dense core, or as you can say it, a nucleus, which is made up of protons and neutrons. If every atom has a dense core made up of protons and neutrons. Protons have a positive electrical charge, while neutrons have none. If an atom was the size of a sports arena, its nucleus would be the size of a pea. Of course, you know peas. They are very small. Did you know that they are actually subatomic particles, which are actually smaller than atoms? But many people come to me and say, "But Tanuk, atoms are the smallest thing in the world, right?" But actually those aren't the smallest thing in the world. They are actually smaller things than that, which are called subatomic particles, like protons, neutrons, which make up the dense core or nucleus, electrons whiz around the nucleus itself, Higgs bosons. But for the Higgs bosons, I'll explain those in the next video. Atoms can be split in a nuclear reactor. And did you know there are two ways to extract energy from atoms? One is fission, which you have to split an atom in a nuclear reactor to get two smaller amounts of energy, half and half. Then later on you can combine those two amounts of energy to make one big amount of energy, and the second one is called fusion. Fusion means combining two atoms together to make one big amount of, you know the word, energy. I can tell you the full process of another fusion reactor, which is water based, but which the water's heat that's made up, it's making the water boiling. That part you will come to know that in the second video. Atoms can be split, but are usually held together by the electrical attraction between positive protons and negative electrons. All atoms that make up a particular element have an equal number of protons and neutrons. But if it has an unequal number of protons and neutrons, it is classified as an isotope. For example, an iron atom has 26 protons and neutrons, while a gold atom has 79. The number of protons and neutrons is called its atomic number. Wait, don't go yet. I have one last thing to tell you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you subscribe, it really helps out my channel and it helps me to make more ambitious videos. See you soon. Bye. And my next video will be about molecules. See you soon. Bye.